Hello, welcome to Mehitri German Academy. In today's competitive world, we have to constantly learn and upskill. For those people who know the German language or who have learnt the German language, many possibilities are available for them. However, it is necessary to learn some of the basic vocabulary required at the workplace. In our brand new series, German language and your career, we focus on training you for some of the basic vocabulary required at your job or in your profession. So, let's begin. Listen and repeat. The first term or word which we are going to learn today is die Bewerbung, means the application. Whenever we apply for a job, we have to write or send in an application which is called die Bewerbung. Next is das Praktikum. Das Praktikum. In our college life or before actually getting any job, it's best to experience the job before we are actually handed over the responsibilities. One way to do is through an internship. An internship in German is called das Praktikum, giving us the practical experience of the job before we actually take on the job on field. Das Praktikum. Next word or the next term is the work. The work which everybody does or which we do, which is known as die Arbeit. Die Arbeit. The work. Die Arbeit. The next term is der Job. The job. Der Job. Moving on to the next term, which is die Berufe. Die Berufe means the professions. Die Berufe means in German the professions. Die Berufe. Now let's look at some of the professions. Der Arzt. Der Arzt means the doctor. In German, a doctor is called as der Arzt. The next profession which we are going to look at is der Ingenieur. Der Ingenieur. The engineer. Der Ingenieur. The engineer. In German, an engineer is called der Ingenieur. And the next one is der Architekt. Der Architekt means the architect, the one who builds not only our houses but many other structures. It's called der Architekt, the architect. Der Architekt. This was the episode 1 of German language and your career. In the next episode, with the help of the words we have learnt, we will form some simple German sentences required at the workplace, along with learning a few more vocabulary. So, thank you for watching. Join me in the next episode. Until then, tschüss.